only listening hours together, years together, playing with the spiritual world, Brahman, Atman, Paramatman, form, matter, Maya, these are the words. Concentrate listener within you. That Brahman, Atman, Paramatman, God not separate from you, and for which only source at meditation. Beyond that, nothing will be there. If you approach through so many masters, it is meaningless. You read so many books, it is meaningless. Now you do not require to read any book. You may read it, but now you have to be practiced. It's a very shortcut method. So if you don't ignore practice meditation, it is not sitting like this. I already told you. There should be involvement.
Contemplation also lasts.
Totally your consciousness. Take my master simply. Somebody abused in a very bad language. I always remembering that word. I will take revenge of this. I will take revenge of this. 24 will remain in that manner. Similarly, master is given abusing, but you are Brahman. Accept, you have to accept like that. It is open fact. These dead bodies not belong to you. But I don't say that is neglected, but try to identify the holder of the body, listener of the body is ultimate truth. Because why it is required? At the time of living body, they should not be considered of dying. Then again, another dream may be there. If you ignore it, then there is a possibility of another dream. So don't develop concepts. All must be good. What they say? Brahman, Atman, Paramatman, God, Master, these are the words. Addressed to the listener. You are ultimate truth. Accept it. It is priceless. Not having got anything. Because we have got direct and indirect, see, lot of attachment with this. We have got so lot of ego. I am somebody else. The use of ego mind, insect, afterwards, along with the body, they are not prior to being. So how you are prior to being it, now you will be after leaving the body. At that time, everything is unknown. Unknown came into existence, known in the form of body, and unknown will be dissolved in unknown. That means body will be formless. Basically, you are formless. Because these clothes are there, therefore you say, oh. So it's very simple, and therefore I am insisting, instead of playing with the spiritual words, be practical. It's a request to everybody. Because if I go on talking, meaningless. There is no Maharaj given nice lecture. It is your information. It's your story, listener's story. Try to concentrate meditation. If possible, sit alone. Because private room, not possible not to sit, you can recite the mantra and remember the words of the masters. You must have strong faith within you. You must have strong faith with your masters. That is the principle of life. So no struggle with anybody else. No hatred. I have told symptoms of this realized person. Forgive and forget. Symptoms of the realized person. Internally totally change. After when the knowledge absorbs within you totally, at that time you will completely change from in and out. The feeling will be there. Forgive and forget. I have given the number of example of that. Jesus Christ. Unique example. When soldiers are nailing him, and blood sheds. What he says, oh God, forgive them. You do not know what they are doing in that condition. That happens within you also. The moment knowledge, reality absorbed. And tolerance. If anybody made any allegation, if anybody says, you are foolish saints, no depression. If says you are a very good saint, no appreciation. It's equal for me. Because to whom they are addressing from abuses, I am not that. So likewise, tolerance is equal. Ignore everything. Then, anxiety to know the reality. And third thing, no attachment with the world. No attraction of the world. It happens. Because of your requirement for body only, not to you. If there is no body, no requirement, who wants peacefulness, happiness, nothing is required. So, though you are living in this world, you remain untouched with the world. Then total devotion and trust, which are the qualities, symptoms of realized person. It is very easy, it is very difficult. Try to absorb what I told you today. That's enough. Only playing with the words, words. You have to read books. What they want to convey, that most important. XYZ, the master says like this master says like this master says like that. Okay. You talk about yourself, not your story of their own, the story of the listener or reader. Okay?